Well, new at 4, the CDC has updated its recommendations for children and COVID-19 vaccinations. Earlier this week, Health Secretary Robert F. Kennedy Jr. announced that COVID-19 vaccines are no longer recommended for pregnant people and healthy kids. Instead of recommending the shots, the CDC now says parents may decide to get their children vaccinated in consultation with a doctor. The recommendation also means that health insurers must still cover the vaccines. Only 13% of children have received the 2024-25 vaccine, according to the CDC. Well, the White House is fixing a number of errors in its Make America Healthy Again report that was recently released. Health Secretary Robert F. Kennedy Jr. releasing that report just last week. And according to an investigation by news organization NOTUS, out of more than 500 studies cited in this report, 7 did not appear to have ever been published. The New York Times reports that there are indications that ChatGPT was used to create parts of this report. Despite the errors, though, the Trump administration says it stands by the report's data and conclusions.
I understand there were some formatting issues with the MAHA report that are being addressed, and the report will be updated, but it does not negate the substance of the report, which, as you know, is one of the most transformative health reports that has ever been released by the federal government and is backed on good science that has never been recognized by the federal government.
The report did receive criticism from a number of health experts who say it spreads misinformation about vaccines and environmental toxins.
Health officials in 2 Bay Area counties are revealing more details about a confirmed measles case, and they're warning people about potential exposure to the contagious disease. According to the Santa Clara County and Alameda County health departments, 1 person tested positive for measles after returning home from international travel. That patient is an adult male and may have been exposed at an airport. Doctors say he's recovering well and isolating at home. The exact number of other people who may have been exposed is unknown. While that patient was potentially contagious, that person traveled to several public locations in Santa Clara and Alameda counties. Health officials released a list of places that he visited. On May 21st at around 7:15 p.m., he visited the H Mart supermarket on Oakland Road in San Jose. On May 23rd at about noon, he went to a Starbucks on Newark Boulevard in Newark. And then on the 25th, between 4:45 and 8 p.m., he shopped at a Trader Joe's on the Great Mall Parkway in Milpitas. Health officials are urging the public to take precautions if they visited those locations during those specific times.
Measles is a disease that is one of the most contagious diseases we know about. We know that the average person with measles can get up to 14 people sick, and you can imagine 14 times 14 times 14 spreads incredibly quickly if the population is unvaccinated.
Measles symptoms can take from 7 to 21 days to develop. The symptoms include fever, rash, red eyes, a cough, and a runny nose.
Well,